Think I drew a cup of coffee?
I also thought you drew a cup of coffee.
Add a few strokes. You will find that I actually painted a little girl. Have you learned it?
I'll add a few strokes, too. It was really a little girl. I learned. Hi, I'm Dory. Let's go.
Write a 1 and a 3.
Write a 1 and a 3.
2 semicircular ears. 2 ellipses draw eyes.
2 semicircular ears. 2 ellipses draw eyes.
Draw the nose and mouth. Draw a leg.
Draw the nose and mouth. Draw a leg.
Draw a tail with a semicircle. Write another one to draw bamboo. Apply color. The giant panda is finished.
Draw a tail with a semicircle. Write another one to draw bamboo. Apply color. Giant panda. Have you learned it?
First write an 8.
First write an 8.
Then a 7.
Then a 7.
Then a 2.
Then a 2.
Then a K.
Then a K.
Then a C.
Then a C.
And finally S draws the tail.
And finally S draws the tail. The little mouse is finished.
A number 7.
A number 7.
Plus plus.
Plus plus.
The number 2.
The number 2.
Equal to equals.
Equal to equals.
The number 9.
The number 9.
Draw an eye. Draw a tail.
Draw an eye. Draw a tail. Is it very simple?
Write the letter K. Add color.
Write the letter K. Add color.
Draw hair and face.
Draw hair and face.
Draw arms and pockets.
Draw arms and pockets.
Legs and little feet.
Legs and little feet.
Finally, add a street lamp.
Finally, add a street lamp. Have you learned it yet?
First write a 3, then a big 3,
First write a 3, then a big 3,
next a 3, and finally a small 3.
next a 3, and finally a small 3.
Connect them with an arc.
Connect them with an arc.
Draw the eyes. Draw the dorsal fin.
Draw the eyes. Draw the dorsal fin.
Draw the fish tail. And then draw a few small bubbles. Fish painting, finished.
Draw the fish tail, and then draw a few small bubbles. Fish painting, finished.